To enable or disable one-handed keyboard on CMF Phone 2 Pro, you can, for example, go to Settings. Over here, scroll all the way down and go to System. Next, select Keyboard, select On-Screen Keyboard, and then go to Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Next, we're gonna go to Preferences, and you should be able to find the one-handed mode over here. And you can switch to the right-handed mode or left-handed mode, or of course completely disable the one-handed mode. So let's say I'm gonna enable the right-handed mode, and if I open keyboard, as you can see, it is much smaller, attached to the right side. I can also use this arrow over here in order to quickly switch the position. I can use these arrows in order to extend to the full screen, technically full screen, or just simply disable the one-handed mode. And you can also manage the one-handed keyboard mode by tapping on these 4 squares that we have on the left side, and then over here we have one-handed. So if you tap over here, you can also enable or disable the one-handed mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!